If you're a profitable Forex trader, one of the biggest opportunities available for you is managing capital for other investors. Instead of trading your own capital or your account, you can build a Forex fund, attract outside investors, and scale your strategy into a professional asset management business. In this video, we're going to break down the complete process from structuring the fund, setting it up, and the legal framework to raising capital and managing the money professionally. Hey, it's Frank Nagy. Welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Before you can manage investor capital, you need a clear and repeatable trading strategy. Many Forex funds focus on strategies such as macro currency trading, quantitative algorithmic systems, carry trades, and global news tradings. Investors will expect a documented strategy, back-tested performance, and risk management rules. In addition, you'll want a good, clear drawdown policy. Professional Forex funds often present this information in a trading strategy presentation called an offering memorandum, or PPM. Remember, investors aren't just investing in trades, they're investing in your process and discipline. Most Forex funds use two entity structures, and this typically includes the fund itself, where it's set up as a limited partnership, and in the US, we would set up it in Delaware, and then a management company, and this entity manages the fund itself. If you're going offshore, the British Virgin Islands is an excellent source. These structures often allow funds to operate as an exempted investment vehicle, serving high net worth and sophisticated investors. The management company earns compensation through the management fee, which is usually 1 to 2% annually under assets under management, and a performance fee, which is 20% and up of all the profits earned. This is commonly called as the 2 and 20. Hiring an experienced hedge fund consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your hedge fund or Forex fund. A good consultant will make the appropriate introductions with fund administrators, auditors, attorneys, prime brokers, and banks that will help your hedge fund grow. Next, you'll need the infrastructure to trade and track investor capital. Key components include a prime broker or institutional Forex broker or a liquidity provider, a fund administrator, and a compliance and KYC procedures. Many Forex funds also use a fund administrator that can calculate the net asset value per share, investor allocations, as well as performance reporting. This adds a transparency and credibility for investors. Once your structure is ready, the next step is raising capital. Typical Forex fund investors include high net worth individuals, family offices, proprietary trading groups, pension funds, and other institutional investors. Offshore investors seek diversification. Most investors want to see a track record anywhere from 12 to 24 months. Capital is often raised through investor presentations like a pitch deck, private placement investment networks, strategic partnerships, and digital financial media platforms. If you work with Frank Nagy Financial Services, we'll place you in the Bloomberg database. Remember, successful funds focus as much as on investor communication as they do on trading. Once capital starts coming in, the focus shifts from risk management and transparency to professionally managed funds. Professional Forex funds implement strict rules such as maximum daily drawdown limits, position sizing controls, portfolio diversification across currency pairs, and liquidity management. Investors expect monthly or quarterly reports showing the fund's performance, the risk exposure, as well as any strategy updates. The best Forex managers understand that protecting capital is the most important thing than chasing returns. Consistency builds investor trust and confidence, and trust attracts large capital allocations. Starting a Forex fund is one of the most powerful ways for skilled traders to scale their strategies to build a professional investment business. With the right structure, infrastructure, and risk management, a trading strategy can evolve into a global management platform. Hey, if you'd like to learn more about how Frank Nagy Financial Services can help set up your hedge fund or broker-dealer, click on the links below in the description box.